Hello, how are you? Okay, so today we are going to study the chapter of ratio. Actually, the chapter is of ratio and proportion. But according to ICSE or CBSE standards or ICSE or CBSE syllabus, this proportion is taught at a higher classes from 9 onwards. This class today I am taking only for the students of class 7, mainly of ICSE board. So this class is mainly of class 7, but then too all the students will get help about ratio from this video. And today I am going to solve some problems of M.L.AGARWAL. And M.L.AGARWAL is one of my favorite authors. M.L.AGARWAL, R.S. Agarwal, I really love to solve their problems. So I always insist my students, whatever textbooks are prescribed by your school for ICSE, please follow M.L.AGARWAL, and for CBSE students, apart from NCERT, you must follow R.S. Agarwal. Clear? Okay. So ratio and proportion. What is ratio? What is ratio? Let's understand what is ratio. See, the ratio means a fraction. And it is denoted by colon, this sign. Suppose I say 2:3. What does that mean? It means nothing. It means 2/3. Means 2 birds out of 3 birds. Suppose if I say 5:11. What does that mean? It means 5/11. Suppose if I say 4:3. This means 4/3. Now, it's not always that the fractions should be proper fractions. It can be improper fraction also. Clear? And ratios are always taken in the simplest form. Are always taken in their simplest form. Clear? Simplest form is reduce it, or if you say cancel it, cancel it. Means suppose 2/6. That means you have to 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. That means the ratio will be 1:3. Now, what is this ratio? The ratio, simply if I want to explain, it's like this, that suppose you have rupees 120 and I have rupees 100. So what is the ratio among us? That means suppose this is A, this is B. Now always you have to find out the ratio with whom. If I say the ratio of A is to B, we call it as A is to B. A is to B, then A part we need to write first, then we will write B's part. If I say B is to A, many students make these mistakes. Always see the question, understand the language. If they ask you A is to B means A's part first, then B. If A here is first, then A part is here first. If B part is first, B means 100 is to 120. Then we need to reduce. I told you simply fraction, that means 002625, so it comes to 6 by 5, that is equals to 6:5. Here 100 divided by 120, 002526, that means 5 by 6, that means 5:6. So if I ask you what is the ratio of A is to B, the answer is 6:4. The ratio of B is to A, the answer is 5:6. Clear? Okay. I don't think in class 7 we got anything else. So just straight away let us jump into the question of M.L.AGARWAL's exercise number 6.1. The first question is asked, express the following ratios in the simplest form. It's as simple question as it is. Simplest form. Simplest form means I told you reduce. Say suppose number 1 subdivision 2. The sum is 4 1/2 is to 1 1/8. Okay, so this is a mixed fraction. So let's first make it a improper fraction. 2 4s are 8 1 9. 8 1s are 8 1 9. Very good. Now, what does this sign means? This is the sign of ratio. Don't get scared about the figures. Okay? You follow the logic and the formula. What I said ratio means fraction. Fraction means divide. Right? What does fraction mean? Fraction means divide. Very simple. So divide 9 by 2 by 9 by 8. Now when you are dividing, this sign becomes this becomes reciprocal. 9 9 cancels, 2 4s are 8. Answer not 4. Here nothing is there. That means see, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9. So 4 into 1, 4, 1 into 1, 1. That means my ratio is 4:1. This should be my answer. Sorry, is that clear? Sure? Okay, there are 3 sums. In number 1, I think you can do the rest. Okay, now, one important thing I would like to tell you, always remember, whenever you will do ratio sum, the units should be same, not should be, but must be same. Clear? This you have to apply in sum number 2. Say I am doing the sum number 2. Which one should I do? Okay, I do number 6. The last sum. Normally you students think that the last sums are the hardest sum, right? So I am doing the last one. The question is 30 days to 36 hours. 30 days to 36 hours. 30 days to 36 hours. Now see, here is days, here is hours. So I have to make it in the same unit. So 1 day. 1 day equals to how many hours? 24 hours. That means 30 days is equals to 30 into 24 is equals to 7 for 20 hours, right? Find the ratio. Okay, that means 30 days is to 36 hours. This I can write 720 hours is to 36 hours, right? No, it's not right, because ratio has no units. Always remember, ratio has no units. So in the answer, if you write units, you will be not getting any marks. So whenever I will use this sign, I cannot put any units. Clear? And when I am putting this sign, the units should be same. But here the units are not same. So I cannot write this line. Is that clear? So I need to write here, but not the units. Now it's okay. 720 by 36 equals to 720 by 36. 36 ones are 36. 36 20s are 720. Equals to 20 by 1 equals to 20 is to 1, and this should be my answer. Is that clear? So always remember, for ratio sums, always the units should be same, and ratio there should be no units. Clear? Okay. Next, which sum should I do? I think 18 or 19 sums are there. Okay, I do number 3. I do number 3. Number 3, they have told you that if A is to B equals to 3:4 and B is to C equals to 8:9, find A is to C. Good. Same. Fractions you all have done? That's fraction only. So A is to B 3:4. That means A by B is equals to 3 by 4. Then B is to C is 8 by 9. That means B by C is equals to 8 by 9. Now I need to find out A is to C. That means A by C. Right? This I can only find out. Now see, here A by B, B by C. Right? So out of these two are common. Am I right? Here also B, here also B. So by anyhow, if I can make these two same, here is 4. Listen carefully, understand carefully, then do the sums carefully. Here B is equals to 4 and here B is equals to 8. So by any way, I need to put one value. How should I do it? Straight away, do the LCM of 4 and 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, LCM 8. So, here I should make 8, that means I multiply by 2. So, here also I should multiply by 2. So, it becomes 6. And here 8 by 9, 8 by 8. Wherever you see it is 8 only. Here also B is 8. Here also B is 8. So B is 8 and C is 9. Now they ask me to find out A is to C. A is to C how much? 6 by 9. Because A is 6, C is 9. 2 3s are, sorry, 2 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Therefore, A is to C is equals to 2 is to 3. And that's my answer. Clear? Can I rub it? Okay. Now let's enter into the problem sums. Okay, one more sum I do it for you. Number 4. A is to B 5 is to 8. A is to B is equals to 5 is to 8. Then B is to C 18 is to 25. B is to C 18 is to 25. Find A is to B is to C. Just the same I did the sum before. Anyway, I do it for you. So here A by B is equals to 5 by 8. And here B by C is equals to 18 by 25. Now these two I need to make same. So what's the LCM of 8 and 18? 2, 4, 2, 9. So 4 2s are 8. LCM will be 72. That means I need to make here 72. How to make? 8 into 9. So if I multiply by 9, here also multiply by 9. 9 5s are 45. Now here also I need to make it 72. Now 18 4s are 72. So here also multiply by 4. So 4 25s are 100. Now A is to B is to C. A how much? 45. B how much? You can take this one, you can take this one, no problem, both are same. So how much? 72. C how much? 100. So my answer is coming 45 is to 72 is 200. Clear? Those who want to copy, please pause the video, then copy the sums. But if you ask me, I would better suggest you not to copy in the book or not to copy in the copy. Copy in your brain. You see how I am doing the sums. You find out the logic which I am applying. Then stop the video, go for a round, have some snacks, and then in a fresh mood sit down to do the sums. Start doing the sums. It's obviously after doing some few sums you will get stuck. Again go back to the video, watch the video, see what logic I am applying, see why you got stuck, where you made the mistake, which point you didn't, like keep in your mind, then again do the sum on your own. I can guarantee you, you will succeed. Okay, next. Okay, number 6. A very common sum. A lot of times in the exam it comes, and I am sure it will be coming in any of your exams. Here they say out of a daily income of rupees 120. So daily, I am not writing the full sentence. Daily income is rupees 120. He spends 90 rupees on food. So food he spends rupees 90. Saves the rest. Saves the rest. Now you need to find out the ratio between spending to income means spend is to, and I get to income. Number 2, savings to income. Savings to income. And number 3, savings to spending. Savings to spending. Now my dear students, I would like to tell you, not a single sum is hard. The thing is, you don't want to read the questions. You don't want to understand what they are saying. And that's why you feel they are hard. Okay. Now what did the sum say? They said the daily income is rupees 120 and spent on food, that means income rupees 120, spent rupees 90, that means saves the rest. Rest means total income 120, spend 90, how much will be savings? Rupees 30. Now they want to find out the spend to income. Spend how much? 120. Spend 90, income 120. Both the ratios are same. So spend first here. So I will write spend first. Then income. Very simple. Do reduction. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. So 3 by 4 equals to 3 by 4. Next. Savings to income. Savings to income. So what is my savings? Rupees 30. What is my income? 120. That means 30 by 120, 0 0 cancels. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. That means 1 by 4 is equals to 1 is to 4. Is that clear? Number 3. Savings to spendings. Savings how much? 30 rupees. Spend how much? 90 rupees. That means 30 by 90. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 1 is to 3 equals to 1 is to 3. Clear? Okay, one more thing I would like to tell you, my dear students. When writing the answers, when you will find like these sub questions, then always write the answer also in that form. So answer number 1, 3 is to 4. Number 2, 1 is to 4. And number 3, 1 is to 3. I can assure you, no one can cut or deduct a single mark from you. Clear? Okay. Next. Don't think I am going to do all the sums, huh? Next, which one should I do? Okay, number 10. No, let me do number 8. Let me do number 8. What it's saying, a pole of height 3 meters. So just think like this. There was a pole. The height is 3 meters. Now this pole is hit by a car and broke into 2 pieces. So a car came and hit this broke like this. Okay. Now the first piece is half of the second. That means this piece half. Means if this is x, this will be x by 2. Understood? Understood or not? This piece is half of this part. The first piece is half of the second. Find the length of both the pieces. Okay. That means I can say, no need to say x or y. That means if this is 1, this is half. That means can I say like this? That the 3 meter pole got broken into 2 pieces in the ratio of 1:half. The first piece is half of the second. Half of the second, sorry, 1:1. 1:1. Right? So the first piece is half of the second. No. Yes. The first piece is half of the second. Again I am wrong. It should be half is to 1. The first piece is half of the second. Clear? Okay. Now this type of sums, there are many ways of doing this sum, but I would rather prefer to use the x. Assuming x. Whenever we use this sign, we can use let the first here you say let the second piece is x meter. Therefore, first piece will be half of the second, means half of second. Now what does of means? Into x, that means x by 2. Therefore, according to my question, these both pieces were 3 meter, that means x plus x by 2 is equals to 3. Now do the LCM. 2, this is 1, this is 2x plus x is equals to 3, or 3x is equals to 3. These two, if you take this side, here it is divided, so here it will be multiplied, just opposite, or x is equals to 3 into 2. This 3, if you take this side, it will come down, 3 gets cancelled, so x is equals to 2. That means my second piece is 2 meter. What was x? The second piece. So what will be my first piece? It is half of 2, that means 1 meter. Therefore my answer will be 2 meter and 1 meter. Clear? Okay. Next. Next, what is there? Let us do which sum? Okay. Okay. Let me do number 8. Oh, 8 I have done, right? So let me do number 9. 8, 9, 10. 3 sums only I will do. Number 10, 9 is a different type of sum. I will show you how to do this type of sums. Number 9 says, Anshul and Dhruv are 1.04 meter and 78 centimeter centimeter respectively. Okay, so Anshul height of Anshul is 1.04 meter, 1.04 meter, and Dhruv 78 centimeter. Dhruv 78 centimeter. Now divide 35 sweets. Divide 35 sweets in the ratio of their heights. So Anshul was 1.04 meter and Dhruv was 78 centimeter. Now here there are 35 sweets, but these 35 sweets have to be divided in the ratio of their heights. So first I need to find out the ratio of their heights. So what should be the ratio of the heights? Now see, here is 104 meter, here is 78 centimeter. So better I take it in centimeter, 104 centimeters. So ratio of their heights, it will be 104 by 78. How much? 4, 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 9, 2. Okay, 104 by 78. 104 by 78. Yes. 39 ones are 39, 39 fours are 52. No, why? 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52. So the ratio is coming 4:3. That means the sum is now like this. Divide 35 sweets in the ratio 4:3. Now whenever you will find like this type of sums, many times you will be getting divide rupees this much in the ratio of this much. So what you need to do, first of all, sum of the ratio. The ratio is 4:3, sum it up, equals to 7. Now Anshul got. Okay, what is Anshul's part? 4. Anshul was first, so 4 divided by the total sum 7 into the total number of sweets equals to 7 5s are 35, 4 5s are 20. Understood how I did this one? Very good. Now Dhruv got, what was Dhruv's heights ratio? 3. So 3. What was the sum of the ratio? 7. 7 into total number of sweets 35. 7 5s are 35. 3 5s are 50. So my answer is 20 and 15 sweets. Now for checking your answer, you will just calculate 20 plus 15 how much? 35. So you got total 35 sweets. Clear? Okay. Next, number 10 also I will be doing. Why? I tell you why. Because by seeing the sum only you will be getting scared. But nothing else, just same as I did the sum right now. What number 10 is saying? Rupees 180 are to be divided. So total amount how much? Rupees 180. Fine. 3 children in the ratio 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6. Now find the value of each person, the amount. Don't get scared by these fractional numbers. What I say, what is the logic, what is the theory? Whenever I will be getting this type of sum, first sum of the ratio, that is 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6. Don't you know the fraction addition? Do it. LCM 12. 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12. Am I right? 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12. This gives you 9 by 12. 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9 by 12. 9 by 12. Reduce it by 4 is equals to 3 by 4. Now, therefore, first, what is this? Person or child? Child. First child gets. What was the first child's ratio? 1:3. 1:3 divided by total sum divided by 3 by 4 into the total amount 180. 180. Solve it. 1 by 3 divide means multiply. 3 by 4 means reciprocal. 4 by 3. Then into 180 equals to 360, 320, 80 rupees. Second child gets. What is the ratio of the second child? 1:4. Sum of the ratios 3 by 4. Total amount 180. So 1 by 4 divide means multiply, reciprocal 4 by 3 into 180. This 4 gets cancels out, 360, therefore rupees 60. Now third child gets. What is the ratio? 1 by 6. Total sum of the ratios 3 by 4 into total amount 180. So 1 by 6, 4 by 3, 180. 6, 30, 3, 10, 4 tens are 40. So first child gets rupees 80, second child gets rupees 60, third child gets rupees 40. To check whether you are right or wrong, what you should do? Add these three numbers. So 80 plus 60 plus 40 gives you 180. See, here it's 180. No need to do this one. Mentally calculate or do it in the rough to check whether your sum is right or wrong. Clear? Okay. Next. Next. Let me see. What else? Number divided, certainly divided, percentage of 5 years. Okay, number 13. So now I want to show number 13. What's the sum? Sorry. The ratio of percent present of Anjali and Anshu is 2:3. So present ratio, present, who? Anjali, Anshu, Anjali, Ashu. is equals to 2:3. 5 years hence, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. 5 years hence, the ratio is 3:4. Find the present age. Okay, now this sum you cannot do if you don't understand the word hence. Hence means from now. Before means back. If I ask you what will be your age 3 years hence now, means if your age is 13 years now, then 13 plus 3, 16. Clear? Okay, so let's do the sum like this. Let their present age be 2x years and 3x years respectively. Means Anjali's age is 2x years and Anshu's age will be 3x years. So 5 years hence Anjali should be 2x plus 5 years and Ashu should be how much? 3x plus 5 years. Am I right? So according to the problem or question, what they say, their ratio, that means 2x plus 5 by 3x plus 5 should be equals to 3:4. Clear? Now whenever you will be getting this type of equations, just cross multiply. That means 4 into 2x plus 5 should be equals to 3 into 3x plus 5. Multiply 4 2s are 8x plus 4 5s are 20, 3 3s are 9x plus 3 5s are 15. Break all the x's this side. So 8x minus 9x. Take this 20 that side. So 15 minus 20 or 8 minus 9 minus x equals to 15 minus 20 minus 5. Both side minus minus gets cancelled. Therefore x is equals to 5. Now present Anjali's age. Anjali's age. How much? 2x. 2x means 2 into 5 because x is equals to 5. That means 10 years. And Ashu's age is 3x. That means 3 into 5. Why 3x? Because I assume to be 3x. Why 3 into 5? Because x is equals to 5 is equals to 15 years. So what should be my answer? My answer should be 10 years and 15 years. Is that clear? Are you sure? Okay. I think I have done all type of sums which are there in the book. Let me take it out. 13 I have done, right? Present age, two numbers, ratio. Okay, I do want to do some more for you. Number 16. The ratio of number of boys to the numbers of girls of a school of 1430 students. That means total students 1430. Now boys is to girls. How much? 7:6. Good. 26 new girls are admitted. New girls 26. How many new boys may be admitted so that the ratio of number of boys to girls, you have to find out new boys how many, so that the boys to girls ratio, so that the number of boys to the number of girls is 8/7. Okay. Very simple. See, or else you can do like this also. Straight ahead. Number of boys 7. Sum of the ratio 7 plus 6 13 into 1430. Understood? Okay, 13 ones are 13, 113, 10 equals to 770. Therefore, number of girls, you can do like this also, 1430 minus 770. 0, 7 and 6, 13, 1 and 7, 8, 8 and 6, 14. So that total 1430 students. 770 are boys, so girls, just total minus the number of boys, you will get the girls. Now, new girls admitted. How many? 26. Therefore, total girls 660 plus 26, 686. Okay. Let X number of boys got admitted. Therefore, total boys, how many boys were there? 770. How many admitted new? X. Now, according to the question, this boys to girls ratio is 8:7. Boys how much? 770 plus X. By girls how much? 686. Equals to 8/7. So cross multiply. That means 770 plus X is equals to 686 into 8. This one gives you 7 0 7 7 is 49, 4 7 is 49 and 4, 49 and 4 53, 49 and 4 53 plus 7x equals to 8 6 is 48, 4 8 is 64, 68 6 6 is 48 and 6 54. Or 7x is equals to, this one will go that side, that means 5488 minus 5390. I do it here, okay? Or 7x is equals to minus, so 8, 9 and 9, 18, 1 and 3, 4, or x is equals to 14. Therefore, new boys admitted equals to 14. Answer. See, that okay or not? I think it's okay. Right? Okay. So now what should I do? 16. Okay, last sum. Which ratio is greater? Which is greater? 17 subdivision 1. 5 by 6 or 6:7. From the very beginning, what I told you in this chapter, ratio is about fraction. So 5 by 6 means 5 by 6. 6:7 means 6 by 7. Now, which fraction is bigger? What you need to do? LCM of the denominator. So the LCM of 6 and 7 will be coming to 42. LCM is 42. That means to put here 42, I need to multiply by 7. So here also multiply by 7. So it becomes 35 by 42. Then here also 42. Here I need to multiply by 6. Here also I need to multiply by 6. This becomes 36. So now see, 42, 42 same. Now which one is bigger, 35 or 36? 36. That means 36 by 72 is greater than 35 by 42. That means I can say 6 by 7 is greater than 5 by 6. That means